I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup premix at home. Creating your own soup premix offers fantastic advantages. Imagine saving 20 to 30 minutes on busy weeknights, simply by having your base ready. You gain complete control over every ingredient, ensuring your family enjoys wholesome, preservative-free meals. Plus, the ability to customize flavors means your soups will always be exactly how you like them, making mealtime both easy and delicious. To begin, you will need a selection of dried vegetables. Think about carrots, celery, and onions as your foundational elements. Don't forget your favorite dried herbs and spices, like a pinch of thyme, a dash of oregano, or a few bay leaves. For drying fresh produce, a food dehydrator works wonderfully, but your oven on its lowest setting can also do the trick. Finally, ensure you have airtight containers or vacuum-sealed bags for proper storage. The preparation is quite straightforward. First, wash and thinly slice your fresh vegetables, then dry them completely using your chosen method. Once everything is thoroughly dried, combine all the ingredients, including your herbs and spices, in a large bowl. For a hearty serving, aim for about 1/2 cup of premix per person. Remember to label and date your containers clearly. This helps you keep track of freshness and ensures you use your premix efficiently. Proper storage is key to longevity. Keep your homemade soup premix in a cool, dark pantry, and it will remain fresh for up to 6 months. When you are ready to enjoy a delicious bowl, simply add 1 cup of your premix to 4 cups of boiling water or broth. Let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are tender. For an extra touch, consider adding fresh protein or a swirl of cream just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.